What's up guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're pulling the engine apart, getting the intake manifold off, and we're prepping the top end to take the blower. Yeah, it's a good thing you're here. I have no idea what you're doing right now.
Removing the blood.
Really? It's blood. I suppose we should be able to remove most of this shit. It's not going to be needed again. What else would this be attached to down low? Nothing, should it?
Yeah, you know how your radiator tilts back there? Oh, yours is actually secure. You can grab my radiator and do that.
Oh, really? No. Now I got the OTR going. It's pretty good. Like you can already see, just this massive bit of plastic out. There's so much more room in here. So it'll be good when we have to change the radiator or do it. What are we doing with cooling? We're surely gonna have to change the radiator and everything.
Yeah, you got a smaller radiator in it.
Yeah. Well, the one that Jake runs is smaller, like smaller than this, and he says that it's like more or less built for burnouts, and it's great. They've never had issues with it, so
might be. Thermo fans, okay.
Surely you'd have to. You got no air going through them otherwise. Oh wow, the rocker covers are so ugly, OEM, but you just never get to see them. You're gonna have to get some special looking ones, some nice looking ones, seems that we don't need any of this anymore. Holy shit, that's even heavy. I don't know why, I expected everything to just be light. I don't know why. Now it's starting to look more like a engine instead of an OEM mess.
These have not been off for a long time.
They've probably never been off.
Oh, wow.
There we go.
Wow, it's still stuck.
Jesus. Oh my god. There we go. At least another gasket was good.
Wow. This is so
Jesus.
old. These have never been off.
Yeah, never. Hey, that said Mexico under there.
Ooh,
Mexico! God, this is scary now. The car's officially undrivable right now. The commitment has begun. Wow. Well, they're what, 11 years since manufacturing? 10 years? No, 12 years. Fucking 12 years that they've been there without being touched.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so that one lives there.
Yep. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do the most. We'll be able to do most of it with it there. It won't matter.
Yay.
Hey. Them some crusty gaskets.
Oh,
Jesus
wow.
Christ.
They're like the worst ones I've ever seen on an LS.
It's alright, I heard it hit the ground.
That's down there.
Nice. Well, at least we know it definitely wasn't leaking.
It was never going to leak.
Yeah, we could have never touched it again and it would never leak. I don't think I have an attachment to go from 3/8 to, no, from fucking...
Really little to really big.
No, there's 3/8. 3/4 is the big one. Why can't Americans just use the metric system? Whoa. What are we actually taking to give to him?
Hey, I don't know. What do you just want the rocker arms? I presume he's just going to upgrade the trunnion.
Yep, that's exactly what they're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the actual stock rocker arms are actually really decent. Just the trunnion in there is actually weak. So if you're going to be revving it excessively,
Which we will be.
they might break. And then I also presume these are your push rods, and they will probably go with chromoly ones. Send it.
No, send like full send. It's nice and clean in there. So now pretty much what we're after doing is removing the intake manifold. So the OEM one has the fuel line on it, so everything. You can't just take that out, you need a special tool. So thanks to Easy Life Automotive, they've landed us this little kit just so that we can get this off. So I'll start with the fuel line because a little bit of fuel will come out and I'll just let it drip a little bit and then we can smash onto removing it. Alrighty, so after some messing around, figuring out how certain plugs work, getting the loom off everything, I think I am now good to remove the manifold. Alright, so now we've got that bad boy off. Whole manifold comes off. Nice. Alrighty, I'm going to tape up the ports now, and then we'll get into maybe cleaning up the actual valley plate. Okay, so I've gotten the manifold completely off, taped up the ports so that nothing can fall in there. But kind of right now what I'm doing, because we still had the rocker covers off, so I'm just chucking them back on for now. And you can see they're really dirty. So I'm just going to give things a bit of a clean because I hate looking at how dirty they are. And then I'm going to see how much of this junk and wire and crap we can rip out of here and get away with. Alrighty, let's move on. Oof. Thought these needed a bit of a clean. I don't even know if we're going to use these because these have the spots for like the injector mounts, like for the coil packs relocation and all that stuff. And yeah, but I didn't want to keep them dirty, so it definitely makes the motor looking a lot nicer just for now. Cleaned up in the middle there. I would take the tape off and clean in there, but the heads are going to come off anyways. But yeah, so I think it's going to look super nice, just at least for now. It's gonna help me sleep at night, kind of thing. Is that the right way? No. So at least while we're in the process of even just transporting the wagon. Oh, this loom is so annoying. Ugh. It just makes it look a lot nicer. I'm much happier with that. Now, I can't wait to figure out how we're going to get rid of all this loom. But I think for now, at least, this is exactly where we want to be. We've got all the rockers over here, which I'm going to put into a nice little Tupperware container to take up to Sydney with me. And we've got the manifold off, so we can put the high rise on when we get it and sit the blower on top, see how much of this we got to cut out, and then see where we're going to be cutting out in the bonnet, which is going to be the most fun job ever. And I hope we're doing that next week, or yeah, it'll probably be the next week that we're cutting out the hole. And yeah, while we're doing all that, we're still on the hunt for an injector hat. So if you happen to have a sick injector hat just lying around, just as every normal person would, hit us up. We need to buy a hat. Yes, full steam ahead. At the moment, like, everything is in motion, but it's at that shitty part of waiting to get in motion, which is really frustrating. But I really love where everything is right now. The manifold was so much harder to get off than I thought it would be, but it's off now. That's amazing. Now we just got to piss the loom off and really get into it. We are going to be removing the aircon. I know it would be sick to have a blown car with air conditioning, but it's just going to get in the way. So we're going to piss all that off, get rid of everything. But yeah, that's probably going to be it for today's video. So if you haven't bought a Flex of the Month sticker already, get on the website right now and grab one because I'm about to take them down. We do have like a couple left, so be quick. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. If you're new here and you want to follow along with this insane build, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. Also, if you're on Instagram, hit us up on Instagram. That's where we're going to be putting all of the build photos as everything comes along. And as well, that's just where we put all the cool shit and behind the scenes stuff. That's going to be it for today, guys. I'll catch you in the next video, Wednesday, where hopefully we have the blower and the manifold to play with. Alrighty, guys, catch you in that one. Peace. I've been in thugging, you bitching and bugging. There's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper. Got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm